Hi, myself Praveen. Today we are going to discuss about how to make a Mac OS as a member of Windows Active Directory. So this is the basic scenario. This is your Windows Active Directory in the domain name of techtest.com, and this will be your Mac operating system where I am going to make a member. I will create a test user to log in with this account. So let's get into the practicals. So here I'm using a VMware workstation 15.2. So here you have Windows 2012 Active Directory, and here Mac OS I'm using as a virtual machine where I downloaded over the internet as a virtual hard disk. In some other videos, further videos, I'm going to explain how to download and how to input the hard disk and how to use some third-party tool to unlock the VMware workstation for Mac option. So here in this session we are going to see how to make a member. So this is your domain name techtest.com. So if you after making a computer as a domain member, here you can see the computer list. So here just we can check a IP address. So IP config. So this will be IP address 0.200 192.168.0.200 will be a IP address of a server. So this is your Mac client. So here we are using Mac OS Mojave, so 10.14 which version what we are using as of now. So here same, it is similar to your Linux, is a core back level. So same Linux command what and all you have, that and all will work. Around 60 to 70% of Linux command will work in Mac. So here also you can check if config. So here also you can see the IP address. So can you see here 192.168.0.105. So similarly we can test by pinging also, ping space techtest.com. so we are getting the reply. So just we can close this terminal. So this is we can call as system preference. If you select this option, you can get all kind of options, how it is similar to Windows control panel. So if you want, you can go for network. Here we can see in GUI mode what IP you have. You can change here itself by editing. So already IP is assigned. So here to make a member, first you have to go with users and groups. Here you should unlock. So this is your local TLS, that means your Mac local PC. First you have to give the password to unlock it. Then select login option. So here you can see network account server, you have to select join. So here you have to give the server name. For example, I'll give as techtest.com. Okay, so here you have to give the AD admin users for making a member. Actually nobody will use as an administrator here. For temporary, for demo purpose I am showing. In real scenario it will be renamed to like helpdesk or some other name. So just give OK. So now it is asking once again to make a member of your local computer. You can see here once it is become joined, you can see here tech test, it is in green signal. Still it should complete the process. Yeah, it's completed. You can see here. Now just close it. If you want, we can restart once to get a proper effect. So here if you come to the Active Directory, here if you refresh, you can see a computer called local TLSS Mac. So any computer, what and all computer are going to make a member, everything it will show here as a list. So this is how to make a member a Mac PC to a Active Directory. So here for testing purpose we can create some users. So I think we have already a user called Praveen. Via this user account I am going to log in with Mac OS. So just similarly, if once it's restarted, it will start giving call option called other users. You can select there and you have to give as Praveen and password. Just I will reset the password. I'll reset as something. So password has been changed. Here I'm going to log in with the same password. So now it's logged into the user account. Yeah, it's logged in to your account. If you type who am I can see here Praveen. So this is how to make a member and to log in with the AD account. Okay, thanks, have a nice day. In next video we are going to see about some other practicals of Active Directory.